guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a really long time since I've done like a sit down video. Probably like 2 months almost. So a little nervous because it's been a while, right? But I just wanted to come back with a D&Co. So this is a style box. The last one I did was an active box. So this is the style box. I'll have all the information down below because I've told you guys about it 1,000 million hundred times. So if you don't know what D&Co is, it's a monthly subscription box. You don't have to get it monthly. You can get it whenever you want, like I do. They were offering a free styling for like Christmas and holidays and all that stuff, so I went ahead and took that offer, obviously. The last active box I got, I will put a link up in the top description, or in the little thingy up here, so you guys can see it. I want to make this short and sweet, so I'm going to go ahead and open it, show you guys what's in here, and then I'm going to go ahead and try everything on. Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, so as per usual, you get your return box, or your return baggie. So whatever you don't want, you put it in there, throw it in the mailbox. So I'm going to do that on my way out today. Then you get your little thingy, shows you how much everything is. It will go over in the end, and then you get your personalized letter. So I'll look at this last, and not first. Ooh, my favorite part is always the cross sections. It's always the cross sections, and I think everybody feels this way. So that's the cross section, and what I'm excited about is all this like material. It looks so warm and cozy. All right, guys, let's see what we got. Okay, so this is awfully small though. Okay guys, so the first item is this dress. Oh, it's got a thing in the middle here. Okay, so it's this like tank top style dress. And it's got this little belt on it. It's really cute. It's like flary and stuff. I don't know if it's gonna fit. I don't know what I put my dress size as down. But it says it's from City Chic. And it's dressed misty floral. It's a size small, which is a 16. Not too sure. The next item, it looks like a big blanket. I think this is a blanket. Oh, it's a scarf. That's weird. Why did they send me a scarf? Who needs a scarf? Like, okay, so this is a big, huge scarf. I think I can go ahead and try this on for you now. This is literally like a blanket. This is a little ridiculous. I like it though, but it's really big. So I guess you could do like your like fancy, like yeah. Just have a big clump of stuff here. It's not bad though. It's not bad. Not bad. So I don't know if you guys can see this like material, but it's really weird. Huh. Okay, this is from a brand called Ryan with White. And it's this like dress shirt. It's got a keyhole right here. And then we have Molly and Sandora, a 2X. This is just a cardigan with the square front, which I do like these. I don't like the rounded ones. I don't know why, I just don't. But it's kind of got a change in detail. It's like smooth, and then it's got more like aired out holes. So that's that. And then my last thing, you guys, is Liz 2X leggings. That's these. Well, I guess I'll just try the dress on by itself if it fits. And then I'll put the leggings on with the red shirt and the cardigan, because those are really like the only thing. You guys saw the scarf already. So I'll just put on those 2 outfits and then we'll come back. Okay, bye. Okay, so this is the dress. It fits pretty decently, actually. It's a little tight in here, but nothing that's like unbearable. And it's actually pretty cute. It's really flowy. It comes to, let's pull it up a little. So it comes to like my thigh area. I would say mid-thigh. Covers my bum. Over. But it's nice because it's slick. So this is the, now I'm dizzy. This is the belt part. Right here. And then this is the top. So it's almost like a little shirt or something, like a cardigan. So it's got these pieces here and then this piece in the middle. Alright guys, so these are the leggings and the top together. I wanted to show you this before I threw on the cardigan. So, not bad fit wise. It could be a little more open on the bottom here. Well, this part's fine, but like right here, because I get wider here obviously. Sleeves are fine. Little keyhole, like the lay and the fit is nice. I don't really love the material or like the texture. I just don't like the look of it. It feels okay, but I don't like the look. Back here, it covers my bum, but it will right up. And these are the leggings, or the pants. And they're pretty tight and see-through. You can see my underwear line here. You kind of wrap yourself in it. It's not a bad cardigan. Yeah, see, the pants and the cardigan don't look terrible. You got the red shirt, add some flare. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not all about the whole look. I mean, I think it's nice. I just don't think it's nice for me. But let's sit down and go over the prices, shall we? Alright guys, so last part, right? So let's read the letter really quick. It says, "Hi Rebecca, I'm sorry your last DA box wasn't all that you've hoped for. Let me make it up to you. Celebrate the holiday effortlessly in these shell leggings and add some flair with this Sean blouse and the Oxagon cardigan. Top off the ensemble with some studded loafers, luscious red lips, and a clutch. You will slay the holidays, sis. This Lyra dress is great for a party. Use this Christine scarf as a shawl, slip on low heels, and put on some subtle jewelry to bring the look together. If your style or size preferences change, please let us know. Blah, 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 blah." Can't wait to hear from you, Chelsea. Okay, so the Christian scarf is $29. The dress is $89. The blouse, the burgundy red blouse, is $49. That's ridiculous. The cardigan is $59 and the leggings are $64. So grand total of $290. $25% off if I buy everything would be $72 off, so it would be $217.50. Yeah, I don't know. The only thing I'm considering honestly keeping is the, I'm never going to keep everything because I don't like everything. I don't want to pay for a red top. I don't want to pay $50 for a red top that I'm never going to wear, you know. The cardigan I'll wear, the leggings I'll wear sometimes, maybe like once a month. So again, that's not really an investment type thing for me. The cardigan I'll wear maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks. I don't wear cardigans that often. The dress, honestly, we'll probably wear once. Yeah, so this isn't, I'm not complaining about the box. I'm not upset with the box. I understand the idea behind it, the concept behind it, the holidays. I love that it's Christmas themed and it's holiday. I love that. It's just not the items that I'm specifically looking for. I'm looking for kind of like everyday wear. The leggings are more, they're leggings. I want something like jean style maybe that I can wear, you know. But that's the point of a D&Co box, right? So I may keep the scarf, if anything. Not 100% sure, but if I do keep anything, I'll definitely keep the scarf. I'm not really in love with anything else to the point where I would probably wear it more than once. And in that regard, I don't want to keep this stuff if that's the case. My last box I got was an active box. I kept one item. It was a shirt. I still haven't worn it yet, and that was probably like 3-4 months ago. And I kept a shirt from that box, and I still haven't worn it one time. I took the tags off, but I've never worn it. So that's just kind of like where I'm at, you know, and that's kind of why I'm very specific and picky about stuff that I keep, because I just don't want to invest the money in it and then never use it, obviously, right? I'm not complaining about D&Co. I get what they did. It just wasn't for me, obviously. So I'm probably going to order another box. And pay the $20 styling fee, and then kind of give recommendations about things I'm looking for, because I really like seeing different things, right? I like seeing what's out there and seeing what D&Co can bring to me, like I might not try myself, right? With that being said, I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know your experience with D&Co below. And there'll be some videos right here of my past experience with D&Co. And I'll talk to you guys later. All right, bye.